Hey, what's up? I am going to do a little just kind of quarantine, like a couple days of my life, something like that, whatever it ends up being. So I'm just gonna kind of film what I've been up to. I am in Colombia with my roommates, quarantining with them, and I've been here a couple weeks is what I've been up to. I was home for a little while, and since we didn't really get a senior year, we all wanted to come back and just be together. That has been the plan. We want to just be together, so that's what we've been doing. Weird being back in Colombia, not being able to, you know, go to school or do anything, but we've been going on runs and just kind of laying outside and reading and really just the same things I'd be doing at home. So that is what I've been up to, but I will show you kind of whatever I do day to day. This morning I did about a 20-minute HIIT workout, and then I just did some abs and stretching and some stuff with resistance bands. So now I'm gonna go grab a smoothie from this to-go place. You just pull up and they bring it out to you. So I'm gonna go grab a smoothie and then come back and do some work. So I literally just spent so much money at that smoothie place, but it's fine.
Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around.
This is literally the size of me, but it's fine. Hi. Okay, so I just went and got groceries from this little kind of market, this little mini mart, whatever you want to call it. And it was just kind of fun. It was just a different little grocery experience, you know what I mean? And I did have a mask on, by the way. I just took it off whenever I filmed me walking out just now. And the hand sanitizer, you know, I did all the things. Okay, so first off, as you saw, this thing is the size of me. All right, I got some more gluten-free bread because I've just been eating that. Ooh, these little gluten-free veggie pita crackers. Mediterranean herb flavoring. 2 oranges. I wanted, what did I want? I wanted grapefruit, and the guy said they were out, and then he told me this story about how grapefruits used to come from Florida, but now they're gonna come from California, and he was a little bit confused, and he was just don't know what I'm gonna do. And I'm oh my gosh, me either, what's gonna happen? So I got oranges. I got vegan cashew, vegan queso, and it's spicy Blanco flavor. I got some more oat milk, which normally I'm an almond milk girl, but this one says no dairy, no nuts, no gluten, so I know there's no gluten residue. I have metal straws, but every now and then I do prefer a paper straw, just if I'm on the go or running around or something. So I got these gray and white striped ones. I have pink and white striped ones, but I'm almost out of them. I really try to use them not too often, but it's good to have for you're just out and about and need a straw. Good little thing to buy. I got this peach kombucha, which I think it's a local brand. Peach, milk thistle, mint, and rose water. It's really, really good. This place recently started carrying the Pressed Juicery brand that's in New York and stuff. And I would drink it a lot when I worked there last summer in the city. So I got that little sweet citrus juice, and I got 3 little shots. I'm really into maca root right now. I just love it. So 2 hazelnut coffee maca bars, which when I was checking out, the girl said these are delicious. So the last thing I got are these fresh local strawberries. So yeah, that's my haul. I feel it's pretty exciting. I always get excited about new groceries and just new things. Now I'm probably going to go read outside. So, oh my gosh. Sweet little Austin brought over this gluten and dairy free cake for me because I hit 1,000 subscribers, and he's been saying he wanted to get me a cake. So,
one cupcake, baby!
Woo! It's so cute though. It looks like one of those fancy cakes actually.
Damn right it does.
I'm so excited.
Because you deserve the best.
Good morning. Hope everyone is having a great day. It's now the next day, so it's now Tuesday. I literally forget what day of the week it is all the time. I just wanted to hop on here. So this morning, my boyfriend and I went to the drive-through Starbucks and then went to this little trail along a river. It's a little river walk trail. Walked a couple miles there to get some exercise in this morning. We woke up at 8 to do that, so I was impressed with us. I thought that was shocking that we could do that. But yeah, so we woke up, did like that long walk, and then came back, and now I've been doing some homework, but I should have filmed this morning. I just kind of was like tired and like not in the mood. I got back and I've just been doing some work, like working on some stuff for school because this is like my finals week, this week and next week. Been doing that, and now I'm going to make myself some breakfast. Yeah, I'm just going to probably make some like avocado toast, and I need to have another cup of water before I have another cup of coffee. That's like my rule. Okay, I'm just gonna take you with me to make my breakfast. Yeah, okay, I don't wanna make my breakfast alone, so you're joining me. Little avocado toast, maybe throw a little egg in there, get crazy. I really hope I have an avocado. Let's see. That's really what I'm in the mood for. I have one little egg left. Toast is in toaster. While we're waiting on that, I'm gonna take this shot. I have like a couple shots that I got, like these little health shots. And I got elderberry because I've been feeling sick lately. My allergies and stuff, you know what I mean? So, why does that taste like gingerbread? That just gave me chills. Okay, I have my little pan. I have these little square plates for my little toast. Very satisfying. Okay, I have this arugula that like expires soon, so I'm just gonna toss some on my avo toast just to be like a healthy legend, you know what I mean? Kind of looks fancy, low-key. Look at that! Okay, so I just finished my breakfast little snacky brunch, which was delish, and now I'm gonna make myself a little cup of coffee.
Told you I couldn't stay, take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if
Sometimes I like to do like more of a latte, my second cup, because it's just like a little bit less strong.
will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you go.
I'm gonna try this bar out and I'll let you guys know how I like it because it's new. Like, I'm interested to see. 10 simple ingredients, I like that. Good morning. How are we all doing? It is a just beautiful day out. I just got a nice little full night of sleep and I just kind of ran some errands this morning and like picked up a prescription and things I need. Just like ran around and got different things I've been needing, and I just made myself breakfast. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I just had a call and I wasn't able to eat my breakfast because I made it. I thought it was a spider, but it was a breadcrumb. I thought I made my breakfast like in enough time, but I certainly didn't. So my breakfast has just been sitting under aluminum foil. So I have to heat that back up, which makes it a little less exciting. But yeah, I just had a little call. I'm just like, it's kind of hard right now to figure out what my plans are for after graduation. I am going to stay in Charlotte after I graduate. So for a while, like since I worked in New York last summer, and if you haven't seen those videos, I'll put them like right here. With everything that's going on, it just doesn't really make sense right now. So I am gonna stay in Charlotte and live there for a while. I'm gonna do some work, have this little chat, and then, you know, eat this, whatever. But I'm going to clean my entire apartment. Floors, counters, bedroom, bathroom, and most importantly, I'm gonna look through my closet, try to get rid of some things, try to clean some stuff out. Oh my gosh, my Siri was like listening to all of that. That's weird. Before I do all of that, I'm going to do one of the Chloe Ting workouts that everyone's obsessed with. I have not tried it, and we're gonna see what all of that's about. So.
This is the new world, you told me lightly. Oh, and how could it end? Let it fall in my lifetime. I don't really like.
So I did not get far with the cleaning, which is unfortunate. But I was FaceTiming one of my friends and then I had stuff for school, so I just like did not get to it. So I'm literally gonna go on like a 20-minute walk just to like get moving, put in a podcast. Yes, I'm just gonna quickly do that and then come back and make dinner. So I'll show y'all what I end up making.
No, I don't really
I'm back. I'm looking a little sweaty, but oh my gosh, I beat the rain by literally 2 minutes. Like I was gonna go further. I like was gonna do another loop. It started to sprinkle on my head, so I was like, ugh. So I had to turn back and like just came in and now it's like lightning and raining. So, that timing. Okay, so I just showered and my hair's dry because I just kept it up in a little clip. I'm trying to figure out what I want for dinner. I have some arugula, which I might do something with. And like a veggie like burger or something. Kind of a random, not exciting. I need to go grocery shopping ASAP. And I did clean. And also I've been like just kind of sprucing up my living room a little. So I like put this cute little candle with the little, whatever those are called, succulents. And this is like my little setup for my living room. It's just like kind of cozy and like, I feel like it's really cute and fun and just like simple. It's pretty clean. I mean, it still probably needs one more day of work because today I kind of procrastinated and went on a walk and just did random things. But yeah, I'll work on it a little more tomorrow and it gives me something to do. I like literally don't know what I'm gonna do with myself whenever I stop school. Like I'm just gonna be so bored. So I need to find ways to entertain myself. But yeah, I'm probably going to make some food. Okay, so that is basically it. That's kind of all I've done these past few days. It hasn't been super thrilling, but that's just my little update. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, notification bell, all of the above. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next week. Bye.